Dear graduates, remember 5 years ago, we were so excited to be seniors. We were looking forward to celebrations, college, and leaving high school. We felt like high school was a million miles long, and we felt like it'll never end. Little did we know, high school is already ending. Senior year is amazing. It's freeing. With the focus of every school events, we're leaders to our juniors. We feel like we're on top of the world. Senior year feels like a dream. But senior year is bittersweet, and here's why. Your last first days of school, the smell of paper and markers, of the food in the canteen, the sight of students in the hallways, the chaos of passing periods, the rush down the stairs, the excitement for recess, voting on who will be class monitor and who will be assistants. Never again. Your last school holidays, the days you always dream for it to be longer, the days of watching movies with your friends, the days you meet up with your old friends, the nights you spend studying alone, and the nights you crash at your best friend's house for a sleepover, the days you spend hours in tuition, the days you feel like you're actually living, the days you spend surrounded by your friends no matter where you are. Whether you're at the park, the library, or even at home, you know your friends are always just a click away. Never again. Your last little moments in high school, the ones you've always done from day one and the ones you'll miss most. The food your friends bring from home and share with you, the glances you give to your friends when you walk past their classes, the days you study in the library alone, the evenings you spend playing football and volleyball, the chats you have with your teachers, the nervousness when you have to present in class, the butterflies in your stomach when you see your crush, the fun of decorating your classroom, the poses you strike during photo shoots, staying late after every event just to take photos of everyone you know, the morning assemblies, the naps between classes, the awkward encounters. Never again. Senior year is a time when reality hits you, when you realize you're actually alone in the world, and there's a very big and long life ahead of you, and you have to face it head on. You'll have to go out and find a job, start a career, learn how to balance a checkbook, take out a loan for college, make a mortgage work. Life is starting a whole new chapter, and you're leaving everything behind you. Everything is being done for the last time because you're about to start everything over again. And you swear that you remember entering high school like it was just yesterday, and you are uncertain that you're graduating because you don't feel ready to do this just yet. And then suddenly you're doing it. So don't take your last days in high school for granted. Enjoy the last few moments, especially the little ones, because high school is ending and you can't go back to it. No matter how much you miss it, high school is never coming back. The memories will not fade as long as you hold on to them, but you have to move on because greater things await you.